Birding in India or in anywhere in the world is a great hobby and one of the fastest growing hobbies in the world. Birding is not about only seeing birds, but knowing them and knowing yourself. The patience that it requires, the disappointment that it requires, the effort of love that it requires, that's what makes birding a great hobby.
Me and some of my clients from Ahmedabad are here for bird photography. We have come to see the great tundra swan, which have visited the Kashmir Valley for the first time.
It's quite cold, so today in fact it was around -12 in the morning, and we left at around 7:30 to photograph the pine buntings and the yellowhammer here in Phuket Lake, and it's quite cold, but I think it's worth going out in the cold and photographing these rare birds.
It's always a pleasure coming back here and again because of two reasons. I love the climate over here. It is cold and nice compared to the 47 degrees that we suffer most of the year in Delhi and surrounding areas, NCR. And I'm also very happy to meet people over here. They are very simple, very honest, and very caring. Hospitality is of a completely different level altogether in Kashmir.
Birding is a way of traveling to yourself. And as a psychologist, I would say that that passion to travel outwards to yourself and to realize the beauty of nature is all life is about. Life is about aesthetics, about beauty, about finding yourself, about losing yourself, wondering and wandering. घूमो और सोचो, यही तो दुनिया है, और क्या है?